You will need to use Mailchimp to create a newsletter for association or event reminder. Open a browser and type in Mailchimp. Once at the Mailchimp.com login site, go up to the top right and select Login. You will need to type in the username and password that was provided to you by NEP. Once at the dashboard, you will need to say Create Campaign. This is also aka Members, Newsletter, or Event. We're doing a regular old campaign. Once you've selected this, you'll need to decide which group you want to send it to. Is it going to be public news or members news? Under each group, you can select to send to the entire list or just a segment of that list. Next, you'll need to type in a title for what they call a campaign, or otherwise known as a newsletter or event. For our example, I'm going to use a golf tournament event that I'm going to let the public know about. Next, you'll need to select the template that you're going to use. NEP has created some generic newsletter and event templates that you can choose from. We're going to select the event template for our example. NEP will have already set up your template with your association logo, name, and some basic information. All you need to do is select the edit icon to change the content out of certain modules. Let's begin by selecting the main body content module to edit. When you hover over this and you click on the edit key, it will open up an edit browser window. Simply highlight the text that you'd like to change out and type it in like any word processing program. If you'd like to add a hyperlink, highlight a specific text and then go up and select the chain link icon. This will open up another window where you can type in a URL. For this example, let's load your association website in a new window. Highlight the URL at the top toolbar and copy this. Paste back in the web address URL window and say Insert. See that your text is highlighted and is a hyperlink. Let's add an image to our document. Click the landscape icon at the top. This opens a new File Manager upload window. Select Browse so that you can get onto your computer and select the image you'd like to upload onto the Mailchimp. Once you have selected the image that you want, click on it and say Open. Then you will need to upload the image to Mailchimp. Save and insert image and you'll be able to see it in your document. This image is too large, so let's resize it. Select the image and say Edit. Go to Resize and type in the numbers. Let's start with 150 and say Apply. This looks much better. Let's say Save and Close, and Mailchimp will automatically refresh and you'll be able to see what the new content looks like. Now that we have the main area of our content changed, let's change the dates by selecting Edit, going into the browser, and changing out the dates. When you're finished, you simply say Save and Close, and we return to the preview document. That we have our document as we want it, you hit Next. The next plain text message, you do not need to make any modifications on this page, simply click Next again. And now we're ready to send. Mailchimp will ask you to confirm one last time that all your settings are as you want them. Which member group you're sending it to, how many of them, and then say Send Now if it's all correct. Congratulations! Your newsletter or event reminder has now been sent successfully. Remember to log out of Mailchimp at the top left, and this completes this tutorial.